Google just ended the AI video industry, and I'm not being dramatic. Last week, Google released Veo 3, and within 48 hours, every creator I follow was talking about one thing. This tool is free, and it's terrifying. Not terrifying in a bad way, terrifying in the way that changes everything. Because right now, today, in 2026, you can open your browser, go to Google AI Studio, type a sentence, and get a cinematic, professional video with real sound, real physics, real motion, in under 3 minutes, for free. Let me say that again, for free. I've been testing Veo 3 for the past week, and in this video, I'm going to show you exactly what it can do, what it can't do, and, most importantly, how to use it in a real content workflow that actually saves you time and makes you money. No hype, no sponsored nonsense, just the honest truth from someone who has been building with AI tools every single day. Let's start with the big question. What exactly is Google Veo 3? Veo 3 is Google DeepMind's most advanced AI video generation model. You give it a text prompt, it gives you back a video. But here's what makes Veo 3 different from every other AI video tool right now. 3 things. Number 1, native audio. Every other AI video tool gives you silent video. You have to add music, sound effects, voiceover separately. Veo 3 generates the audio automatically. Footsteps, wind, crowd noise, music, all of it, synced perfectly to the visuals. This is a first. Nobody else can do this right now. Number 2, physics realism. Earlier AI video tools had one obvious problem. Things moved wrong. Water didn't flow right. Hair didn't move naturally. Hands looked broken. Veo 3 fixed this. The physics engine underneath is completely different. Objects fall the way they should. Fabric moves the way fabric moves. It's not perfect, but it's genuinely impressive. Number 3, prompt understanding. You can now talk to Veo 3 like you're talking to a film director. Slow zoom into the subject's eyes. Handheld camera shake for realism. Golden hour lighting, bokeh background. Low angle shot looking up at the skyline. It understands all of this, and it executes it. That's not a small thing. That's cinematic language, available to anyone with a Google account. Now let me show you what this actually looks like in practice. I ran 5 different tests this week. Test 1, a cinematic B-roll shot. I typed, a young entrepreneur sitting alone in a modern coffee shop, rain on the window behind him. Warm lamplight, slow zoom in, cinematic 4K. The result? Honestly, I've seen worse footage shot on actual cameras. The rain on the window was realistic. The lighting was warm and moody. The slow zoom was smooth. And it came with ambient coffee shop audio. Cups clinking, soft background music, rain sounds, all generated, all automatic. Test 2, a product explainer scene. I typed, a laptop on a clean white desk, screen glowing with code, camera slowly orbits around the desk, dramatic tech lighting, 8K. Again, the result was genuinely usable for a YouTube B-roll shot. Something that would have cost a professional camera setup and an hour of shooting. Veo 3 did it in 90 seconds. Test 3, a talking head scene. This is where it gets interesting for YouTube creators specifically. I typed, a confident male presenter standing in a modern tech studio, dark background, gold accent lighting, speaking directly to camera, professional broadcast quality. The avatar that came back was good. Not hey-gen good, not yet. The lip sync was slightly off. The gestures felt a little robotic. But here's the thing, it's free. And it's version 1 of this feature. In 6 months, this will be different. In 12 months, this will be scary good. Test 4, a transition clip. I typed, a glowing neural network expanding across a dark universe, camera flying through it, electric blue and gold colors, cinematic, dramatic music. This one was the best result I got. Abstract, visual, cinematic. Perfect for an intro sequence or a transition. I'm going to use this exact clip in my next 3 videos. Test 5, a YouTube Shorts clip. Vertical format, 15 seconds. A person's hands typing fast on a keyboard, urgent energy, dramatic music, neon lights, close-up shot. The result was genuinely viral ready. Exactly the kind of clip that stops someone mid-scroll. Okay, so Veo 3 is impressive. But I want to be honest with you about the limitations. Because this channel is about real information, not hype. Limitation number 1, clip length. Right now, Veo 3 generates clips between 4 and 8 seconds. That's it. For a 10-minute YouTube video, you need a lot of clips. And stitching them together takes time. This is the biggest practical limitation right now. Limitation number 2, character consistency. If you generate a character in one clip, and then try to generate the same character in a different clip, they will look different. Different face, different hair, different outfit. This makes storytelling very hard. You can't tell a continuous narrative with consistent characters yet. Limitation number 3, generation queue. Because everyone is using Veo 3 right now, especially on the free tier, wait times can be long. I waited up to 8 minutes for some clips during peak hours. During off-peak hours, usually early morning, it was much faster, 2 to 3 minutes. So those are the real limitations. Now, the important question. How do you actually use Veo 3 in a real YouTube workflow? Here's my exact process. Step 1. Write your script in Claude. Claude generates the full video script and marks every moment that needs B-roll. Step 2. Identify all your B-roll moments. Every time the script says, show this or demonstrate this, that's a Veo 3 prompt. Step 3. Generate your B-roll in Veo 3. 1 prompt per clip, 4 to 8 seconds each. Download every clip. Step 4. Record your voiceover in 11 Labs, or use your own voice. Clean, professional audio. Step 5. Bring everything into CapCut. Arrange your clips. Add your voiceover. Add subtitles automatically. Export at 1080p. Step 6. Upload to YouTube with full SEO. Title, description, tags, thumbnail, done. That's the complete pipeline. From zero to published video in under 3 hours. With 0 camera, 0 studio, 0 editing experience. Now, let me tell you the one thing that most people are getting wrong with Veo 3. They're treating it like a magic button. Type something vague, get something generic. Be disappointed. That's not how this works. Veo 3 is a tool, and like every tool, your results depend on your skill with it. The creators getting the best results right now are the ones who write detailed, specific, cinematic prompts. Here's the difference. Bad prompt, a city at night. Good prompt, aerial drone shot slowly descending over a rain-soaked city at midnight. Neon reflections on wet streets, jazz music, cinematic grain, golden hour warm tones. Same tool, completely different result. The skill of 2026 is prompt writing, and the people who master it now will have an enormous advantage over everyone who waits. So let me give you a simple framework for writing better Veo 3 prompts. Every prompt should have 5 elements. Element 1, the subject. Who or what is in the scene. Element 2, the action. What is happening? Element 3, the camera movement. How is the camera moving? Slow zoom, orbital shot, handheld shake, static wide. Element 4, the lighting. Golden hour, dramatic studio light, neon, natural daylight. Element 5, the mood. Cinematic, urgent, calm, mysterious, energetic. Put all 5 elements together, and your Veo 3 results will be 10 times better than the average creator. Let me put this all together. Google Veo 3 is not the end of human creativity. It's the beginning of a new kind of leverage. The creators who will win in 2026 are not the ones who refuse to use AI. And they're not the ones who use AI mindlessly. They're the ones who combine human strategy, human storytelling, human judgment, with AI speed, AI scale, and AI precision. That combination is unstoppable. And that's exactly what this channel is about. Every week, I bring you the tools, the workflows, and the real strategies that let you work less and leverage more. If this video saved you time, if it gave you one idea you're going to use this week, hit subscribe. Because next week, I'm going to show you the exact prompt library I use to generate professional B-roll for every single video I make, using only free tools. You don't want to miss that. One more thing before you go. If you're building an international audience, if you're creating content in English and your pronunciation is holding you back, check out SpeakPro in the description. It's an AI English coach. 5 minutes a day. It listens to how you speak. It corrects your pronunciation in real time. No teacher, no classroom. Just an AI that actually fixes the problem. Link is in the description. I'll see you in the next video.